When it comes to our business, it's all about the relationship. It's not necessarily about the price point of the house or the location of the house. It's really about building the relationship with the client, finding the right property, listing the right property to suit that individual client. I'm really proud to have my daughters as partners in the business, and I feel that we all work together really well. As far as the technical aspects of the business, that's where they take over and they do a terrific job.
I love working with my family because we all have the same values instilled in us. Any advice that we give to clients would match each other, and that we can trade out and understand that our clients are getting the same level of service.
Our approach to working with clients, whether it's a buyer or seller, is not a one-size-fits-all. It's tailoring our market strategy, it's tailoring our approach to the listing or the purchase based on their needs and ensuring that we can meet and exceed.
When you sell your home with us, we cover all of the bases from start to finish. We have trusted partners that we work with, whether it be from staging to landscaping to painting. And we know that the people that we work with are going to show your home in the best possible way. We even trust them so much that they would work on our own homes, so we know it's good.
We're constantly observing the market and the ebbs and flows and adjusting our service offerings to make sure that we're ahead of the curve and offering not only what everyone else is offering, but the very best.
And it's all about service. And I think that's really what we do with our business, is the service. And I'm proud to say that's how we bring it forward.